Well, it's a time lapse, right?
No.
Oh, it's not.
No. Regular video because I know it'll be fast.
Oh, I wish you did time lapse.
Thank you.
You don't want to be a little smart ass in the video?
I will, I'm sure. I just need time to think of. Yeah. Well, you can't post that now.
See you, Ronnie.
Whatsoever.
I told you she'd be here.
They worry to happen. I'm going out.
That's why I asked Alex.
James, do you want a cookie or a trophy?
Ooh. I should do like the thing the girls on YouTube do with the. I use stiletto brush in order to get my desired look. They do the thing with their hands where they go. Oh god. They go oh, what a pain in the ass. Oh god. Oh lord.
Oh, Lord.
Here, can I get a brush? Let me grab a brush. They do the. So I'm using the. I hope you can see it. I'm using the.
Turn your head.
Is this gonna be on Facebook? Am I famous? Am I famous yet? Ah, she's in it. How about you worry about your own problems? Ah! D, that's kind of contradictory to what your shirt says.
Well, it's like, you probably have to go on and let's say, like, there's a piece out of those.
D's just jealous. She doesn't look like this.
My thing that I said was dance mom. Where are you going to see? Like, when I was a kid and I was a dancer, if what's going on.
Neither did I.
The problem is, like, in early school, like, you have to be at a certain percentage a day. You do.
But I mean, actually,
You have to be comfortable with
I don't mean like when it's
I'm being held captive by Zuri.
Yeah.
My ransom is $40,000. Send it to her as soon as possible. Oh Lord, Jesus Christ.
Why is that literally named that?
So you'll be more of a smart ass.
Well, I don't know how inappropriate I can be for the fans. Are you posting this places?
Mm-hmm.
Well, we're trying to keep it PG-13. Oh, fucking shit. Oops. Well, there goes the PG-13 rating. I met Zuri.
I'm in prime location.
I met Zuri when we was getting drug tested in prison together.
Oh my god, see now.
And that's from something. What is that from? Is that Everybody Hates Chris? Yes, the mom met her friend when they were getting drug tested. She's like, what was the mom's name on that show?
I don't remember.
You didn't watch Everybody Hates Chris? She was like, we was getting drug tested.
No.
You could have done a time lapse. We're already up to 4 minutes. Huh?
Some of the video is going to be sped up.
Oh, you can do that? Can you make a time lapse one for me? One that's a time lapse? Yeah. This is my husband, James. Nah. Can you make a time lapse one for me? Is that a thing you can do? Because I want to post it.
Oh, Alex.
We've been searching for hours. I can do this thing where like
Close your eyes. Close both your eyes.
Imperial Wizard?
Wait, what? Is this a time lapse?
Video. She's gonna make it a time lapse.
Wait, what? Why is it like so long? Why is the red thing so long? Why is the red thing so long? Why is the red thing so long?
Because it's an app.
Look
Oh.
up. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh! She poked my eye out. Zuri J Makeup Effects poked my eye out.
Makeup effects.
Makeup effects. Oh, Lord Jesus.
Slap somewhere?
Everywhere. Where's my spray?
I need my spray.
Ah!
You're gonna go do your hair, right?
Huh?
Let's go do your hair.
Yeah. Actually, don't forget the spray though. I want my spray. Actually, my hair looks kind of okay. Oh God.
1, 2, 3. All done. Now tell us about this show.
Come see Curtains. Well, we only have 3 more shows. Come see Curtains either, well, we only have 2 more chances now. Tomorrow at 2 p.m. or tomorrow at 7 p.m. at St. Joe's in Montvale. Tickets can be bought at sjr.bookstix.com. We got D. Spencer Works, Zuri J Makeup Effects, and Alex Birchwell signing off.
Thank you.